Hi guys, Brit Tech here, and just first and foremost, thank you, Reyes, the entrepreneur, for the opportunity. Just a little bit about what I like to do is I'm a shoe fanatic, first of all. I love shoes, I have a lot of them, and just something that I like to do with shoes or clothes that I'm not wearing. I like to sell them on Poshmark. Sometimes I'll even go out to like Plato's Closet or the thrift store or the Goodwill, and I'll try and find, like new or great condition sneakers that are, in the market. Preferably Jordans, Nikes, Adidas, the things that are in right now. And I'll clean the shoes up and I resell them for either the same price or a little bit more, trying to make a profit. So I guess I'll start with my Poshmark. For those of you who don't know, Poshmark is a way for you to make money back. It's a website that allows you to sell old clothing, shoes, jewelry, different things that you own and make a profit. So I already created an account. And for any of you interested, my username is Britner90 on Poshmark. So if you check it out and like anything that you see, go ahead and purchase something. But as you can see, I have quite a few items listed, mostly shoes, but I have some clothes up here as well. And what I like to do is I just like to take stuff that I'm no longer wearing and put it up here for sale. A great example of that would be these Nike Prestos that I put up here 2 weeks ago. I actually bought these shoes brand new for $59, and I was able to sell them on Poshmark. I wore them once, and I was able to sell them on Poshmark for $80. So yeah, as you can see, I have quite a few listings up here. Some sold, some not sold, and sometimes I'll go out on a nice Saturday, go to Plato's Closet, see if they have anything there for me to resell. And like I said, the Goodwill and thrift stores are good as well. But I believe Poshmark is a great platform for you to resell new or used clothing items or shoes that you no longer wear. So yeah, that's a little bit about my Poshmark account, Britner90. Check me out. And also, I have a YouTube channel called Brit Tech, and I am an IT business analyst in the real world. And so one of my great passions is IT. So what better YouTube channel to start than an IT channel? So check me out. I'm Brit Tech, BRXTT Tech. Tried to be a little different, a little unique, so I put an X instead of an I. But that's my channel name, and have about 362 subscribers, a little over 350,000 views. Haven't made the million mark yet, but I'm trying, guys. I've been uploading consistently, and I'm just trying to find my niche and post consistently and find something that'll allow me to share what I like to do in my spare time or as a hobby or even in my day-to-day job, because IT is something that I've been working with for about 7 to 8 years now, and I've really just grown to love it as a whole. Technology is continually advancing. It's not going to go anywhere. If anything, it's going to get greater, and I believe that for people who are a little bit computer literate or not as computer savvy or tech savvy, this will be a great platform, YouTube as a whole, for you to find out how to use some of the devices you buy and use on a day-to-day basis. So check me out. A lot of my videos are very, very short, probably about 30 seconds to a minute. And I just do how-to videos explaining different things, like how to save battery life on an iPhone or how to delete messages on Facebook Messenger. Pretty practical stuff, day-to-day stuff that everybody's wondering, but they don't know where to look to. So yeah, guys. And once again, thank you, Reyes, the entrepreneur, for this opportunity. And yeah, guys, check me out. And I just want to wish all you guys luck and let you guys know that there's enough money out here for all of us to be successful. So I just really admire Reyes for doing this, for making it possible for me to use his platform to grow my business, as well as share with others on how to do so. And you know, it's a great thing when you like to give back to the community and not hog all the resources for yourself. So thank you so much, and you guys have a great day.